Hey guys, I'm Steph and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today's video is going to be all about eye swatching and creating one look with the brand new Sydney Grace and Temptalia Quintessence eyeshadow palette. I'm doing 3 videos dedicated to each of the palettes that are in the light series of this collection. This is the second video in the series, and the first one I did was on the horizon, which should already be up and hopefully you've already watched that. But Temptalia is a beauty blogger who teamed up with Sydney Grace, the ever popular makeup brand, and you guys have been telling me you wanted me to try Sydney Grace, so here I am. I decided to pick up the 3 light palettes that were released in the collection. Now, she did release 6 different palettes, 3 light and 3 deep, and the only difference between the light and the deep is a couple matte shades in each palette. Obviously, the deep palettes will have deeper matte shades, whereas the lighter palettes will have lighter matte shades, but pretty much all of the shimmer shades are the same. Right now, you can find all 3 light palettes in stock on the Sydney Grace website. Each palette retails for $40, or you can pick up the entire bundle for $100, and if you use the code Temptalia15, that will save you 15% off of your order. I, of course, picked up the light bundle. I want to say that the deep palettes, I think maybe only 1 or 2 is in stock at the moment, and correct me if I'm wrong, but I believe you can mix and match them, and you can get 3 for $100 minus if you use the discount code, the 15%. But I just went with all 3. They arrived a couple days ago. I've already gone outside to arm swatch all of them, so you will see this palette swatched in natural lighting so that you can see what it's going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. And then today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be eye swatching all of the shades. So for the matte shades, I'm going to be blending on one eye. The brush I'm going to use is the BK Beauty 202 brush, packing on the other. The brush I'm going to use for that is the BK Beauty 203. And for the shimmer shades, I'm going to go in with a dry brush on one eye, kind of just packing it on the lid. And I'm going to be using the rephr number 2 brush for that. And then I'm going to wet the brush and go in on the other eye, also in a packing motion. And this is the brush that I'm using. It is the rephr 28. Now, when you guys see me do the demo portion, because I am going to create one look with this palette towards the end of the video, I'll be using my finger to swatch some of those shimmer shades as well as apply them. That way you can see how everything is going to look, how everything is going to apply, and just how everything is going to work. Again, this is my very first experience with Sydney Grace, and I couldn't be happier for Christine, who is Temptalia, for this collaboration. She did an amazing job with these color stories, and even just with the packaging, like everything just tells a really beautiful story. So guys, if you want to see the Quintessence eyeshadow palette I swatched as well as one look, keep on watching. Alright guys, so this is a completed look using the Quintessence eyeshadow palette in the Sydney Grace and Temptalia collaboration. Wow. I wasn't expecting to do like a little wing type of thing, but that's just, you know, where the look went. Guys, the shimmers in this one, wow. These shimmers so far are my favorite out of the two palettes that I've swatched so far, which was On the Horizon and then this one. I think I like the shimmers in this one better. I think I like the color story in this one a little better. I feel like it's a little bit more cool toned. This shade right here, which is the Milky Way, that's a gorgeous shade, like a duochrome type of shade. This green one, guys, I feel like I'm doing like the first look was a green look, and then I know I incorporated a little bit of green in here, but I tried not to. That's why I went in with these gray shades down here. And then I didn't want to go in with the black on the outer corner. That's why I went in with Interstellar up here. And then, I mean, I was dying to use these green shades, but I only used one. I used Borealis in the inner corner. And then you saw me do the black on the lower lash line, and you were probably like, what is she doing? But that was because I wanted to go in with Celestial Bloom, and I really wanted it to pop. So if I laid down a black shadow before, and then when anything you place on top of the black, it's really going to pop. So that's why I did that. And then the style of lashes I'm using is House of Lashes Juliette. So everything that I have on, guys, it will be in the description box of this video. But I think most definitely in what I've noticed in swatching these palettes is you're definitely gonna get more brightness, more vibrancy by spraying your brush for the shimmer shades. Like for me, that is just going to be my preference, or use your fingers. Use your fingers. Either way, I think that is the best way of applying these shimmers, at least for me. And I do get a little bit of fallout with the shimmers, in particular when using my finger. With the matte shades, I really didn't get any fallout, but it was mainly just with the shimmer shades. So just lay down a little bit of setting powder. Guys, I've done my makeup, I don't know how many times. I've taken off, put it back on, taken off, put it back on. My eyes are so sore. I'm gonna rest. I was gonna film the last palette, the third palette today, which is Sunday evening already when I'm filming these videos, but I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So I'm gonna stagger the times that you're gonna see that. You're gonna see the time staggered when I upload these videos. So this one will probably be around noon, around lunchtime, or a little after when you're watching this video, and then the other one of course will come in the evening. But I hope these videos are able to help you. At the end of the day, that's the goal, is to show you guys what these look like swatched. I am not a professional makeup artist. I am just a normal person playing around with some makeup, trying to see what works and what doesn't. And if I can give you guys some inspo and put a smile on your face, at the end of the day, I have done my job. So definitely let me know your thoughts on this video. What are you thinking of these eye swatches? Do you like them? Do you not like them? I have one more to go, but if you don't like these types of videos, then I mean, I don't want to keep on making them, but I feel like they're helpful. I feel like it's helpful to see, again, somebody not associated with the brand, not associated with, you know, the creator, just a regular consumer who's buying the palette and trying it out, especially trying the brand Sydney Grace for the first time. So I hope these videos are able to help you guys. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.